When the airport falls quiet and the last passengers disappear, a different world begins. This is the night shift, the hidden hours where airport marshalers guide every aircraft with absolute precision. Tonight, you'll step inside their world. A world lit only by runway lights, flashing beacons, and two glowing wands. Every movement matters, every signal must be perfect. Because one mistake can stop an entire airport. Marshalers start by checking the ramp, inspecting the stand, and preparing the arrival path. They coordinate with the tower, ground control, and the incoming pilots, making sure the aircraft enters the stand safely. As a jet approaches, the pressure rises. The marshaler steps forward, standing alone in front of thousands of tons of moving metal. With clear, confident motions, they bring the aircraft to the exact stopping point, not 1 meter too far, not 1 meter too short. This is precision. This is discipline. This is aviation. In the quiet of the night, you can hear everything. The hum of engines, the click of landing lights, and the soft footsteps of ground crew preparing for the next departure. Marshalers work through fatigue, through cold wind, through rain, because the flow of the airport never stops. During refueling, loading, and pushback, they stay alert. They check for hazards, foreign objects, vehicles, and crew coordination. Their signals guide the pilot from darkness into motion, controlling the pushback, keeping the aircraft aligned, and clearing it for taxi. Every night shift tells a story, the story of teamwork, responsibility, and pride. These are the silent heroes who keep global aviation moving, even when the world is asleep. Welcome to the night duty of airport marshalers, a place where light meets darkness, where skill meets discipline, and where every signal keeps the airport alive.